In this video, I will show how to turn on Wi-Fi on Android mobile. So firstly, you need to find out on these settings. And here find out on this Wi-Fi. Click on it. Now, to turn on Wi-Fi, select this Wi-Fi to on. Now it will show you available connection. So just you need to connect. You can remove any particular network. Now turn off and turn on. Refresh. Here you will see a list of available network. Click on any network and enter the password to connect your mobile device with others network data connection. So just you need to enter the password. So this way you can connect, and this way you can turn on Wi-Fi. And to turn off, select this Wi-Fi to off. So thanks for watching.